Safety is everyone's duty and responsibility. I believe that all accidents are preventable and I will not compromise on safety. Every morning before I start work, I will tell myself that today is a good day and everyone will return home safely at the end of the day. I believe safety is not only part of my job but also my passion. Being part of the company's safety team, I also consider myself as someone who saves lives. This mindset drives me to give my best at work every day. Positive words motivate workers to work safely. Compliments such as good job and well done are good motivation for people to continue adopting safe practices. We also maintain good and clear communication with our workers to let them understand the importance of safety and health.
For me, safety is every day, every minute, everywhere, everyone. Safety is a shared responsibility of every individual person in an organization. Every team member is like a close friend to me. It is my responsibility to ensure they work in a safe environment. We share safety information during our roll call meetings daily. In particular, we would stress the importance of working safely, not just for each other, but also our families. We also need to persuade and convince the team that working safely is working effectively. We also need to listen to the concern of all issues related to safety. It is important to build mutual trust, understanding, and respect to discuss and implement safety initiatives in the workplace.
My safety philosophy is no one gets hurt, nothing gets harmed. Safety never ends. Every day we all learn something new, and with modern technology comes better ways and methods. Every day during our toolbox meeting, a particular subject on safety is being brought up for discussion, like brainstorming sessions where we share our individual experiences. To motivate workers, NTUC and sports vouchers are given out for good suggestions, and technicians with good HSC contributions and performances are rewarded during their yearly appraisal. My safety tip would be to always listen first and be alert before making any comments or decisions.
Teamwork is of utmost importance. Knowing the work risks right from the start and taking necessary precautions to prevent them is the essence to safe work. I believe very much on the human touch. By personally engaging my team members and addressing their concern on a regular basis, create a trust and bonding effect that lasts and can motivate them to work safely. I am motivated by the sense of responsibility toward myself, my colleague, and subordinate I am entrusted with, as well as our beloved family members. I just want to make sure that they return back to their loved one safe at the end of each day. You must love what you do. With love comes patience and responsibility.
I make an effort to recognize and praise the workers whenever I see them practicing good safety habits. I find that positive reinforcement works better. I constantly remind the workers how much they mean to their family. My family is most important to me, and safe practices at work enable me to return home to them at the end of the day. Beyond that, I also see myself as being responsible for a larger family, my fellow colleagues who have their own families to return to. This keeps me motivated to always place safety as a top priority at work. Supervisor's responsibility is not only about ensuring that the job is done on time, but also stressing that it is done safely. This is a core Keppel value that we aim to instill in everyone who work with us.
My family is the main reason for my daily motivation at work. Being far away from them is really hard, and I do miss them hardly, so I made a promise to myself to work hard daily and also ensure that the working environment around me is safe in order for me to return home safely into their homes. My safety tips will be: always think about your family back at home waiting for you to return home safety to them.
Safety is everyone's responsibility. If we all do our part in safety, we can walk in a safe working environment and everyone get to go home safe and sound. I believe in leading by example. I comply with safety requirements before I motivate my team. I share experience with them and the danger of not following safety rules. War is not solely for many. We should think about our family that are waiting for us to go home safely. The challenge at work motivates me very much. I take up the challenge to not only complete my task within the given time frame, but also ensure that my team go home safely. My safety tip would be vigilant in safety matter and do not hesitate to intervene if someone is not following safety rules. Always remember, a small safety issue may result in severe injury.
My biggest motivation is for all my colleagues and contractors to go homes to their loved one safely every day. Improving communications and having realistic expectations of my team members' abilities will help create a work environment where they are highly motivated and committed to their work and safety goals. I encourage them to invest their time and effort in improving their safety. That way, each individual feels responsible not only for his or her own safety, but also for everyone in the organization. I encourage my teams to be part of the process of identifying and resolving workplace health and safety concerns, not just for themselves, but for the larger team. Safety is everyone's responsibility.
I take pride in my work, and thus I strive to ensure that I deliver only quality work. By extension, doing everything with quality only makes the work safe. This includes preparation, quality risk assessment for my work, delivery, quality tools taught to my crew, and ensuring only quality tools are used for my job. My philosophy is to deliver safety with quality. I cannot allow such standard and am self-prided in my work, which is why I have a strong belief in quality safety. I hope to be able to influence others to follow what I do and to spread the culture of safety. I use the slogan, "Safety starts with me," to motivate my workers. At the end of the day, everyone wants to be able to go home and see their family. Therefore, it is of utmost importance for everyone to work together to create a safe workplace for themselves as well as for others.
Change yourself and you change the world. It is important that I myself be the change I want to see in the workplace. It starts from making sure that I adhere to the safety rules. From there, I lead by example. The power of communication is very important, especially when it comes to engaging and motivating the workers to create a safe and healthy workplace. We insist on conducting our daily toolbox meeting to update each other on the condition of the work site, to ensure better communication between workers and the management. There are always translators around to convey the message for both parties. It is a noble job because I am safeguarding lives by ensuring their safety at my workplace. This job also allows me to work with people from all walks of life. It is interesting to exchange ideas with people from different backgrounds and to challenge my own belief system. By doing so, I find myself growing.
Safety and health is a must in every operation. The safety and health of every employee is a high priority. Everyone must join together in promoting safety and health and taking every reasonable measure to assure safe work conditions at the workplace. Safety and health will be achieved through teamwork. Promote two-way conversation regularly at Toolspa meeting every day. Get everyone involved in the meeting and give them chance to talk about their safety concern and issues. Give them feedback and share the WH bulletin and news, reminding them of the importance of safety. Appreciate and reward those that follow safety rules. My safety tips would be: get feedback from workers, continuously train and monitor the progress. Take action immediately if you see any unsafe act or conditions.